Your iPhone could be sharing every single photo and video that you take with other devices, an iPad, a Mac computer, maybe even another iPhone. I'm going to show you how to check whether that is happening, and if you want to, you can always disable or turn that off. Now, the first thing we're going to do is tap on the Photos app on your iPhone. Once you're in the Photos app, tap on Collections at the bottom left, and then tap on your profile at the top right. You can see it says 17,000 photos, and it says syncing one item to iCloud. Now, if it says anything about syncing these photos to the iCloud, you're potentially sharing all of these with other devices. Let's check which devices it is sharing them with, and then also disable it if you choose to do so. Now, let's hop out of here and open up the Settings app on your iPhone. From the Settings app, tap on your name at the top, and then scroll down to the bottom. You can see at the bottom, it will show you all of the devices that are linked with your Apple account. These are the other devices that you're sharing those photos with. In my case, my MacBook Pro and my iPad Pro. So if I wanted to stop that, tap on the iCloud option midway down. Tap on Photos right under Save to iCloud. And there are two things we're going to do on here. The first one, where it says sync this iPhone with the iCloud, just toggle this off. You'll see when you do that, do you want to download a copy of the iCloud photos to this phone? You most likely want to be able to download these because otherwise you would just lose access to them. So tap on the download photos and videos on your iPhone, and it will download all of those onto your iPhone, but remove them from the iCloud, and more importantly, remove them from being synced up on the other devices. Now, that's not the only thing I would recommend doing. The next thing that I would recommend doing is scrolling down. If you have a shared library set up, just tap on that and make sure to disable that shared library. Again, this will share certain photos and videos with other people. Now, another thing you can choose to turn off is shared albums. It says create albums to share with other people and subscribe to your people's shared albums. If you toggle this off, all you need to do is hit OK, and it will delete out all those shared albums. Now, keep in mind, you might have photos and videos on there that you want to keep, but if you're good to go and you don't need those shared photos and videos, you can make sure that they're not shared with anyone else, any other person, but also any other devices. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that. And thanks for watching.